Hey guys, it's me, Anna here, Anna Scott, and today, I just woke up, I woke up late, and today, I'll be reviewing Dot's Big Storm / Storny Packs Her Bag, so yeah. And sorry about my voice, like I told you guys, I just woke up late. It's like 1 right now, but yeah, I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm really tired from yesterday. I had a long day. I told you guys I got some new stuff. I had a long day to me yesterday, kind of. So, yeah. But anyway, let's get started. Sorry, I can't remember what I like and don't like, really. I gotta think here for a minute. It's one of those times where I can't even think straight right now. Okay, wait, I don't have no positives either in this episode. Yeah. And Dot's Big Storm. So the first negative was like Storny's song. I don't like it at all, and it was because I don't know. It was just so depressing. I don't know. I just don't like it. So, and it's called It Rains But It Pours. I think that's what it's called. I don't know, but I'm not watching this episode again. But I have been watching Real Lucy for a while because I don't feel like it. I've been watching Littlest Pet Shop, but anyway, and then okay. And then let me think here for a second. Okay, what the heck? Okay, guys, like, second negative was Cat in this episode. Like, why in the heck would Cat, like, run away from Storny? And why in the heck Jules' cat would run away from Storny at the end of this episode? But, yeah. And then, the second part of this episode is Storny packs her bag. Mom, you ruined my review.
Yeah. See what we did with her medicine? Mm-hmm. Since she's sick, she has to take 3 in one of them, so she's got it all. Oh, I gotta get her a drink. Where's the little cup?
Right now, Vernal. I don't feel like it.
I know you usually do. Yeah. Do you feel like you need your inhaler right now, or wait? I'll wait on the inhaler. Because I don't want you to start shaking.
Hey, Mom, I have something to tell you really quick. Okay, as I was saying, and Storny packs your bag, sorry, that was my mom. But anyway, I only had one positive for Storny packs her bags. The only positive I had was, Dot. She was pretty good. She's like a therapist in this series, like what the heck. Or maybe like a counselor or something, but anyway, she talked out Storny about her feelings and stuff, and blah blah blah, and all of that. It was just good to me. It was really good to me. I started crying in this episode, actually. It was really upsetting. Okay. It was just really good to me. It's just the most awesomest positive I ever had, but anyway, my first negative was Storny again. she was like, well, got some news for you. We're moving. I know, I almost sound like her right now because my voice is really... my voice has been jacked up lately, but... Yeah. Can't even do it right now, but... Anyway... Okay. And... What else? I think that's all for me. Please, right here. But yeah, that's all. And then get ready for next Sunday's review. Sorry guys, it turned out to be a really short review. I didn't have nothing to say. Oh, and I forgot. But, okay. I actually give this one a 5 out of 10, a low rating, because, again, this episode was boring. It's just the end of this series. All the episodes in this series in a row are boring. But anyway, get ready for next Sunday's review. The one that is the season finale. Dun, 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 the last episode. And that one is what is it called? Can't think. Okay, wait. It's called Cat and Cat Are Last / Stornies Arrive. So yeah, and thanks for watching. And I just want to do this really quick so I can get on my tablet and play on it. So yeah, I wanted to do this first. So yeah, just to get over with, because I don't feel like doing reviews today. But yeah. Petra Girl Sodia is going to do her review today. I'm just doing it before her. I usually do it before hers, but yeah, thanks.